Hey guys, what's going on? So if you would like to see how I got this easy DIY press-on nails using the KISS system, then stay tuned. This was an almost fill, but you'll find out later on in the video. Let's get started. So we're starting off with fresh, clean nails. My hand has been washed, nail has been trimmed, and we're ready to get this process started. So we're looking at the kit. This is the kit that I choose. So in your kit, you're gonna have the nails, of course, the glue, and in that plastic thing is gonna be a file and a wooden stick that you're gonna use later on. So in this entire video, I use everything that's in the box. I didn't use no other tools. So you're gonna start off by measuring each nail onto each finger and making sure it's a good fit for each of your finger. Behind the nails there are numbers that you can use, so once you find the perfect fit for one of your finger, you can use that number to find the perfect fit for your other finger, unless your fingers are two different sizes on each finger. But you just want to look through each nail and find out which one fits perfectly. So after you do that, just arrange them so that way you're ready to set up and it'll make the process go by quicker. So I'm just showing you this one is a perfect fit. You can see the nail is covering the sides versus this one, which is a little too big. It looks fake. The other one looks more natural. And I'm just showing you how to point a finger. This was the most tedious process, finding each fingernail for the finger, so you want to make sure you take your time to do that. And you're ready to begin filing. Basically you're taking off the shiny coating on your nail to make the glue stick to your nail, because if you just place the glue onto your nail like that, your nail is not going to last long. So you just want to file each finger until the shiny coating gets off your finger. And you're going to do this for all of your nails. So next you want to use this wooden stick to push back your cuticle, so that way your cuticle doesn't get damaged once you glue the nails on your finger. So push back all of your cuticles. And I still see a lot of shininess. I'm just going to go ahead and file a little bit more. So now you're ready to glue your nails on your finger. So I'm using the glue, or so I thought, that came with the kit. So I'm just having a hard time opening it. And yes, I just use my teeth. Be careful if you're going to do that. You don't want to get glue in your mouth. Twist off the cap. And then you're going to place the glue, or so I thought, on my nail. At this point, it should have easily come out. What going on? They did not sell me a kit with dried up glue. Oh no, they didn't. I had thinking maybe it was stuck at the tip. Wow, it's all dried up. It's okay. I have 2 more kits. I'll just get the glue from them and use them. Is this really going on? Is this thing dried up? I can't believe it. This thing really hard. So my second kit, the glue dried up. I get 1 more. I have 1 more kit. I tried to open it. So 1, 2, 3 of my kits. The glue dried up. This is unbelievable. It's okay. I'll just go back down the road. So going to the store. 3 nail glue. I say, no way. I ain't gonna finish my nails tonight. It dried up. Unbelievable. Ah, you ain't watching this. This nail glue dried up. 3 of them.
$2,000 later.
Alright, I'm back. I got glue. So we're gonna go ahead and finish this thing. This is literally a week later. So you're gonna place some of the glue on your nail and also some on the fake nail. And you're gonna press from the cuticle, not on the cuticle, but near the cuticle down. And you're gonna hold it for about 5 seconds. If you have any glue, use nail polish remover with a Q-tip and make sure you remove that glue before it dries. And you just repeat the process for all of your nail. So you're going to put some glue on your nail. Just enough, not a lot. And also some on the fake nail. Place the tip and then press down and hold for like 5 seconds. My finger gets stuck to the nail. It's okay. I can fix it. You just take some of the nail polish remover and it'll rub away off the nail. Like brand new. Over time, the glue that dried up on your hand, it will come off. So you want to make sure you have Q-tips and nail polish remover handy nearby. And you repeat this process for all of the rest nails. So I'm finished with one hand, and I'll come back when I'm almost finished with the other. So you want to clean off any imperfection off the nail. So I still had some glue stuck on the outside. Just use the nail polish remover and use a Q-tip and brush those away. So we're all finished. This was quick, easy DIY nails that you could do. If I could do it, you could do it. So go to the store, go grab your kit, come home, and get these nails popping. So we're all finished. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.